Good morning, English scholars. Welcome to English 114. This is Professor Harmon here to welcome you to the spring semester and to also go over the course assignments for the first week. I've had some questions via email about what the expectations are for the first week, and I think many of you are concerned because there is so much information on the course site that you might not hand in everything in a timely fashion. So let me go over what is exactly due and when they are due. So your most important tab right now would be the Unit 1, the Gilded Age. So you want to click on that tab. And once you click on that, you'll see exactly what is due when for this first week, okay? Do not overwhelm yourself by looking too far ahead in the course because then you will be overwhelmed. I think just focus on now, focus on what is due this week, and you will be just fine. So I've listed everything for you right here, and it is extremely intuitive and pretty self-explanatory. So introduce yourself via the course dialogue forum by Wednesday, which is tomorrow. So you're going to go over to the course dialogue forum, introduce yourself. Okay, let's go back here. You are going to take a look through the course, all right? See what resources are available. Just get a feel for how the course is laid out. Okay, you don't have to do anything really intensive. You just have to go through the course site, check it out, get a feel for how it's set up. Complete the online learning survey. So this is something that you need to do by the end of the week, which the week will end on Sunday. So you're going to click this link. Now notice it tells you exactly what to do. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on Considering an Online Course to see the link to the survey and the link to the more information about your score page. All right, so let's do that. We're going to click on that link. Considering an online course. Take the online readiness survey. You're going to take that survey. You're going to click on the link, take the survey. Take a look at your results. Okay, look at the results, maybe print them out. Also, click here for more information about your score and tips to improve. That's a downloadable file. And you're going to read over the explanation for your score. So once you get your score, you'll see what that means, and then you're going to send me basically a reflection. Oops, I logged out. Sorry about that. Let's go back in. Sorry about that. Let's go back in here. You'll be sending me basically a summary of your results and your score, and I'll show you where you're going to submit that once I get logged back into the course site. Just going to turn this editing off. So let's go back. These are the announcements. I'll always be greeting you with what we're working on, what's due, but let's go back to Unit 1, the Gilded Age. So we've taken the survey, we saw our score. Now we're going to go to the Unit 1 assignments folder. Unit 1 assignments. And this is the assignment that you're going to submit. So basically, you are going to answer these questions after you take the survey and have your results. And you're going to click on this link so that you can submit your assignment as a Word document. Okay, it really shouldn't take you that long. Okay, go back. You're also going to read in Volume C, pages 1 through 15. This gives you an overview of the time periods, so you get some sense of the first time period that we'll be addressing, which will be regionalism and realism. So please read the background information to the time period in Volume C. You're also going to read this article called Purposeful Annotation. It's all about how to stay active in your reading and to make sense of your reading while you are going through the texts. It's really a great strategy for close reading. So I want you to read all about annotation. And then you are going to post to the discussion board forum. Your initial post by Friday is in response to that article. I want you to talk to me a little bit about how you stay active when you read, and talk to me about your annotation strategies. So we're going to go over back to course dialogue. And formal DB assignment number 1. You're going to summarize your definition of close reading. How does your definition compare to the article's explanation? And when you read, how do you ensure that you remain actively engaged in the text? Please cite some evidence from the text to support your assertions. Okay, so that is your initial post is due by Friday, and then you will respond to your 2 peers by Sunday. Okay, and that's all that's due. If you have questions, please feel free to give me a call. You can text me. My number is on the syllabus. All right, so if you go into overview for the course, you can download the syllabus. My number is there. My number is also under the Your Instructor tab. You can find my number there and my email. Please, any questions about what's due the first week, don't hesitate to ask. But the fact that we are online and not face-to-face, it's a lot more work because it's a lot more reading and it's a lot more writing. Whereas face-to-face, you're discussing. Okay, so online you really have to read everything and ask questions if you have any. And please be on top of all of the readings. If you have questions, like I said, please feel free to reach out. But I did want to go over what was due for the first unit. All right. As we move into Unit 2, I'll be reaching out to you with a summary of Week 1 and then introducing Week 2 and what is due and when they're due. All right. Have a great week. Good luck. I look forward to working with you this term.